Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. This is Donna from DaretoBeCreative, and I am excited to be here today because I am doing another installation in the Use Your Dollar Tree Stickers collab. And so I just want to say thanks for stopping by. First and foremost, I am not in this collab by myself. I am with some wonderful ladies who are also participating, and all of their links will be below. So we also have in this Lisa, and from Miss Little Scrappy, we have Sheba from Sheba Finds, we have Susie from Susie Q 21, and we have Donna. Donna doesn't have YouTube, but she has an Instagram, and it's D_K. Oh, I just forgot it. I think that's what it is. But anyway, it will be in the link below. Sorry about that, Donna. But anyway, check out their channels. I guarantee you will be inspired. These ladies are some awesome crafters. So, having said that, we have always talked about how many Dollar Tree stickers we purchase and how we don't use them as much as we hoard them. So, this collab, I'm going to be giving away things as well as the other ladies on their channels. Everybody's doing their channel differently as far as giveaways or what they're going to do and when. I'm going to try to give away something each month. So, stay tuned, and you know, you got to be a subscriber. You got to like and comment on my videos in this series. But I want to say that, so I'll get more to that towards the end. But anyway, so we have to use Dollar Tree stickers and just use them any which way you want. Totally up to you. So I'm going to show you real quick half the stuff I use, and I don't have everything out because I did half of this project in January. And if you notice, there's two different intros describing, like showing you part of the stickers, and then this piecemeal together, because I did it in January, and then we, you know, was trying to get everybody to decide to do it. Anyway, long story short, you know, I got some for January, some I did this month, but it's all for this month. So I don't have all the embossing photos that I would like to have. So I used some ink because I put some of them away, but I will show you the ones that I do have out. So this is Chic, and so this one is Crafters Companion, Dottie, and Dottie is, oh my gosh, I forgot who Dottie is. I want to say this Paper Studio, Damask background, Doris, Basque background, and that is Doris. And there's 4 other ones that I use, and I don't have them out right now because I put them up. I don't remember which ones I used because I cut off that video. Anyway, some white and Kelly green paint, just a couple of distressed things which you might not even be able to tell, but Lemon Squeeze, Mermaid, Lagoon, and Faded Jeans. I use some pit pens. We have black, gray. I didn't use gray, black, brown, white, and black. Some gold metallic thread. I use some Tattered Angels, this wonderful purple mist, and then this Heidi Swap teal. These Dollar Tree jewelry tags, some Dollar Tree bling, Dollar Tree sequins. These punches. This is a Marvy butterfly, Martha Stewart bow, and this is one of the knockout punches. And I think that's probably everything, but you'll see. So with the first one that I showed you, it was these, and I altered these, and of course my Spectrum Noir markers, because I had to color these. And so I will show you. And again, I made these back in January, so I'm going to do real quick from what I can remember. And I typed out all of my sentiment on my computer. So I layered these hearts, so they're 3 thick, and I also used my Spectrum Noir glitter pens over top of it, which you may or may not be able to see. I used a embossing folder in the back. I think it was Moroccan towel maybe. And then I hit it with some gold. And then of course I colored these black, and that says love is in the air. And then I outlined it in black. So that is my first ATC. And of course, you want to see some close-up pictures, please go to my Instagram, DaretoBeCreative1, where you can actually see the pictures clearer than you can on this channel. This one was Sequence. I forgot the name of it, but I think it's called Sequence or something like that. Retro Sequence, I think. And this is colored with some gold. This is some flowers. I also put the glitter pen on top of that. That's some bling, from Recollection, and then there's 2 brads right there on the end. Oh, and I forgot to mention there are brads right here as well, and I colored them with the Spectrum Noir markers, and those are gold ones. I left them gold. And I just typed out make a, and because I had the word wish, make a wish. I think these turned out really, really cute. I love how they look. I love how I transformed, you know, the colors and made them look totally different on each one of those. And so this one went through 3 transformations, 4 transformations, because after I embossed the background, which I know was an Anna Griffin embossing photo, but I can't remember the name of it, I colored it with light brown spectrum, then a medium brown and dark brown, so it went through 3 different coloring in the background. My sister said, use a darker one to make it pop. But anyway, then I just put a little bow here and a piece of bling, and it says cherish every moment. Again, I typed out those words, put the brads there, and I colored, those pieces. And then last but not least, and this one was clocks. I remember this was the clocks one, and I want to say that was a Doris embossing folder. Here's that Martha Stewart butterfly, and of course it's dimensional. Put some bling down the middle, colored this green, hit some gold over top on the embossing folder to make it pop. And of course this was brown Spectrum Noir here. This was a gold paint marker, and this is a gold paint marker. No, this was gold paint, I think, on this one. So those are those. I thought they came out really, really cute. I like how I use alcohol ink on coloring them and changing them up. I love making ATCs. That is one of my, I always go to. I love making ATCs. I just think they're just like they are, little teeny works of art. Then my next go-to is the iCads, which are just index cards, and I prefer the 4x6 size, just because I have what do you call it? A book binder with those in it. So this first one, oh, I forgot to show you. Oh, dang it. I put the magazine away. The Dollar Tree sells magazines, like those little hair magazines, you know, they're little thin magazines. So they're great to buy just for collage. So what I did with all of my index cards, they're 4x6, they own cardstock, 110 pound, a couple layers. And then what I did was I just ripped up pieces of magazine, no rhyme or reason, and just glued them down. And then I put some gesso over top of them to whitewash them down. And then I put some paint. On this one I put some white. Then I came back with the lemon squeeze. And over here I used the faded blue jeans and the Mermaid Lagoon. And then I end up putting the Mermaid Lagoon on that one too. But the lemon squeeze is all in the background just to give it a little color. And oh, I forgot. I just put this away. Did I move that? The Dollar Tree stamp. Yep, I just put it back. Sorry. Oh, it's right here. That's the Dollar Tree stamp, and it says enjoy life. And then I put the stickers right here in that second portion of the video, the intro that I showed you. And this is just a mosaic glass that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I use that for my bling. And you see right here, there's some thread. You can see that gold thread. And I just use that for texture. And of course I went around my perimeter with the brown. So that is my first index card. Okay, so I'm going to show you this one real quick before I cut it open, so you can see what the stamps look like. And then I will be right back with my icad. So these are the dollar store stickers, scented stickers that I used. So that is the first one. And again, check out my Instagram. And again, you know, these, I just wanted all of these to be mixed media. Just to show you can use the Dollar Tree stuff and mixed media. Also use some Dollar Tree paints too on this one. But anyway, I used a little bit of the blue spray here. And this is the blue bling from the Dollar Tree. These are some gold bling I had in my stash. Again, is wrapped with this gold thread, and there's the Dollar Tree stickers. That's the Dollar Tree sticker. And in case I didn't point it out, Adventure and the Bicycle Dollar Tree stickers in that one. And again, that's bling from the Dollar Tree. And this is a piece of the embossing folder right there in the background. You can see that embossing folder on those as well. That green is embossed, and this brown is embossed just to get some texture. I like how that turns out. And again, hard to see all of that here. And then the next one, this says Explore the World, and there's a lamp post. There's some thread here. There's some embossing folder. There's a lot of splashes. There's 3 sequins. It's trimmed in white paint. Here's that luggage sticker, and I put that little teeny mini tag, and I put D2BC for Dare to Be Creative on the luggage, my luggage towel. I really like how that turned out. That was different and cute. Again, that's the gold string right there. And then the last one is the pear sticker, which was the main focus of this whole sticker collection. And then the postmark right there. You can see the embossed pieces, these purple bling from the Dollar Tree, the gold sequins from the Dollar Tree, all the spiders in the background, and then this little gold tag right here reminding me, go see do, travel. And then some gold string right there as well. So I really have fun making them. I thought they turned out really, really adorable and cute. I think each one of them is different and unique, but they all have that mixed media feel. Again, they have all, I forgot to say this in the background, not just the first one that I mentioned, not just this one, but all of them have collage papers from the Dollar Tree magazine ripped into little pieces, as you can kind of see in there. And then I just painted over and sprayed over them. So that's what the base of the background back here is collage magazine papers. All in there, you can see it. So you can take a Dollar Tree magazine, you can take a Dollar Tree book, and you can use them for glue books as well, but you can also use them in collage to make your backgrounds. So that is what I did there. And so that is what I made for this month for ATCs and for iCads. So check out the other ladies, and I guarantee you will be pleased and inspired, and you come up with some other ideas to use your Dollar Tree stickers. And check out my Instagram to see these pictures of them even closer. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.